So, what is bird flu? Officially it's called avian influenza, or H5N1, a virus that mostly affects birds. Wild birds can carry it without getting sick, but it can make farm birds like chickens and turkeys very ill. As wild birds migrate, they can spread the virus to new places, and recently, it's even been found in some mammals, like cows. When it shows up in animals we eat, experts pay close attention. Can people get it? Yes, but it's extremely rare, and usually only happens with close direct contact with sick birds. Think farm workers, not grocery shoppers. For the average person buying chicken at the store, the risk is incredibly low. Bird flu is a bird problem, not a people problem. The headlines sound scary, but the reality is much calmer for most of us. We're talking about this to be smart, not scared. Focus on safe food handling in your kitchen. That's what matters. And that's something you can totally control. Here's the best news. Cooking destroys the bird flu virus. Proper heat makes chicken, turkey, and eggs completely safe. The magic number? 165 degrees Celsius, 74 degrees Celsius, for all poultry. Use a food thermometer to check the thickest part of the meat. Juices should run clear, not pink. For eggs, cook until both the yolk and white are firm. Think scrambled, hard-boiled, or a firm omelet. Baking dishes like quiche? The oven's heat does the job. Health experts agree. You can't get bird flu from properly cooked poultry or eggs. Cooking is your safety net. It's science, not luck. So don't give up your favorite chicken dinner or morning scramble. Just cook it right and enjoy with confidence. Fire up that stove and cook with peace of mind. Cooking makes food safe, but safety starts before the stove. The key? Prevent cross-contamination. Keep raw poultry and eggs away from foods that won't be cooked. Use a separate cutting board for raw meat and wash it and your knives, hands, and counters with hot, soapy water after use. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds after handling raw chicken or eggs. When shopping, choose healthy-looking poultry and always wash your hands after handling packaging. Carry hand sanitizer for markets or when a sink isn't nearby. Treat all eggs as if they could have germs. Wash hands after touching them. Skip tasting raw cookie dough or batter. It's not worth the risk. These habits protect you from all kinds of foodborne illnesses, not just bird flu. Make food safety second nature in your kitchen. It's simple, effective, and keeps your family safe. Let's talk dairy. With bird flu found in some cows, is milk safe? Yes, thanks to pasteurization. This process heats milk to kill harmful germs, including bird flu. The FDA confirms. Pasteurized milk and dairy products are safe. Always choose pasteurized products. Skip raw milk, which can carry dangerous germs. Most milk, cheese, and yogurt in stores are pasteurized, so just check the label. Pasteurization is a built-in safety step that protects us every day. Enjoy your milk, cheese, and ice cream with confidence. Our food system has smart safety checks to keep us safe. Pasteurization is your dairy safety hero. For most of us, the risk from bird flu is extremely low. The people who need to be most careful are those with daily direct contact with live birds, like poultry farm workers and veterinarians. They use special safety gear and strict cleaning routines to protect themselves and the birds. Even for them, there are many layers of protection in place. For home cooks and shoppers, our contact is with the final product, not live animals. The food system is designed to keep the risk far from consumers. Unless you're working with live poultry, you can relax. The warnings are for a small, specific group, not the average shopper. For us, good kitchen hygiene and proper cooking are what matter. That's where our power lies. Let's make food safety easy with a quick checklist. 1. Cook it right. Always cook poultry to 165 degrees Celsius, 74 degrees Celsius. Use a thermometer. Cook eggs until whites and yolks are firm. 1. Wash up. Wash hands with soap and water for 20 seconds before and after handling raw meat and eggs. Clean all surfaces and utensils. 1. Keep it separate. Use a separate cutting board for raw meat. Store raw meat on the bottom shelf of your fridge, away from produce. 1. Smart choices. Always choose pasteurized milk, cheese, and yogurt. Avoid raw milk and undercooked eggs. Skip tasting raw dough or batter. These 4 habits protect you from bird flu and other foodborne bugs. Pin this checklist to your fridge or save it on your phone. Simple steps, big impact. You're the boss of your kitchen. With these habits, you're in total control. Food safety doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these rules and cook with confidence. You've got this. So, can you get bird flu from eating chicken or eggs? The answer? No, as long as you handle and cook them properly. The virus can't survive your oven, skillet, or grill. That roasted chicken or scrambled eggs? Safe and delicious. Stick to the basics. Cook poultry to 165 degrees, cook eggs until firm, and wash hands and surfaces after handling raw foods. These aren't new rules. They're the foundation of good kitchen hygiene. In a world of scary headlines, stick to the facts. Share this knowledge with friends and family. Reassure, don't spread fear. Food should bring joy, not anxiety. You have the power to keep your kitchen safe and happy. So yes, you can have chicken for dinner tonight and enjoy